Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss about Indian Academy of Pediatrics immunization schedule in children. IAP is the Association of Indian Pediatricians formed in 1963. It recommends some vaccines that may benefit the children. In this schedule, the vaccines that are given at birth are BCG, oral polio vaccine, and hepatitis B vaccine. BCG is available as Tubervac. Oral polio vaccine is available as BioPolio, and hepatitis B vaccine is available as Revac B. Next, coming to the vaccines that are given at 6 weeks of age. They are diphtheria, pertussis and tetanus vaccine first dose, that is DPT first dose, and hepatitis B vaccine second dose, and Haemophilus influenza B vaccine first dose, that is HIB first dose, and injectable polio vaccine first dose, that is IPV first dose, and rotavirus vaccine first dose, that is RVV first dose, and pneumococcal conjugate vaccine first dose, that is PCV first dose. DPT, hepatitis B, HIB and IPV, all these are available in a single injection. They are available as Hexaxin or EZ6 or Infanrix Hexa. Next, coming to the rotavirus vaccine first dose. It is available as Rotavac or Rotacil or Rotatec or Rotarix. Next, coming to the pneumococcal conjugate vaccine first dose. It is available as injection Synflorix or injection Prevnar. Next, coming to the vaccines that are given at 10 weeks of age. It is same as 6 weeks except hepatitis B vaccine is not given. But routinely hepatitis B vaccine is also given at 10 weeks of age. As we discussed, it is available in the form of a hexavalent vaccine which contains DPT, hepatitis B, HIB and IPV. And coming to the vaccines that are given at 14 weeks of age. It is same as 6 weeks except hepatitis B vaccine is not given. But routinely it is given at 14 weeks also in the form of a hexavalent vaccine. Next, coming to the vaccines that are given at 6 months of age. Oral polio vaccine first dose, hepatitis B vaccine third dose, and influenza vaccine first dose are given at 6 months of age. This hepatitis B vaccine third dose can be skipped because, as we earlier discussed, it is given at 14 weeks and 10 weeks of age also. And influenza vaccine is available as injection Influvac. And at 7 months of age, second dose of influenza vaccine is given. And at 9 months of age, oral polio vaccine second dose and MMR first dose is given. MMR is available as injection Tresivac. Next, coming to the vaccines that are given between 9 and 12 months of age. It is typhoid conjugate vaccine. It can be given at 10 months of age. It is available as injection Teibar TCV. Next, coming to the vaccines that are given at 12 months of age. They are hepatitis A vaccine first dose. It is available as injection Havrix, and Japanese encephalitis vaccine first dose. It is available as injection Zev or injection Zenvac. Next, coming to the vaccines that are given at 13 months of age. Japanese encephalitis vaccine second dose is given at 13 months of age. Next, coming to the vaccines that are given at 15 months of age. MMR second dose, pneumococcal vaccine booster dose and varicella vaccine first dose is given. Varicella vaccine is available as Variped or Varilrix. Next, coming to the vaccines that are given between 16 and 18 months of age. They are DPT first booster dose, IPV first booster dose and Haemophilus influenza B vaccine first booster dose are given. All these are available in a single injection. It is injection Pentacell. DPT and Haemophilus influenza B are available in a single injection. It is injection EZ4. DPT and IPV are also available in a single injection. It is injection Quadracell. Next, coming to the vaccine that is given at 18 months of age. Hepatitis A vaccine second dose is given at 18 months of age. Next, coming to the vaccines that are given at 2 years of age. Typhoid conjugate vaccine booster dose and meningococcal conjugate vaccine is given at 2 years of age. Meningococcal conjugate vaccine is available as injection bimeningo and injection quadrimeningo. Next, coming to the vaccines that are given between 4 and 6 years of age. They are DPT vaccine second booster and oral polio vaccine third dose, varicella vaccine second dose and MMR vaccine third dose is given. Next, coming to the vaccines that are given between 10 and 12 years of age. They are TD vaccine, that is tetanus and diphtheria vaccine, and HPV vaccine, that is human papilloma virus vaccine. Human papilloma vaccine can be given to the girls aged between 9 and 14 years of age. 2 doses of this vaccine are given with 6 months of gap. It is available in the form of injection Cervarix and injection Gardasil. Coming to the vaccines that are given for the children who are at high risk. They are Japanese encephalitis vaccine, influenza vaccine, meningococcal conjugate vaccine, yellow fever vaccine, pneumococcal polysaccharide vaccine 23, rabies vaccine and cholera vaccine. So this is about Indian Academy of Pediatrics vaccination schedule. So let us revise what is IAP schedule. The vaccines that are given at birth are BCG and 0 dose of OPV and first dose of hepatitis B vaccine. And at 6 weeks, DPT, hepatitis B second dose, Haemophilus influenza B first dose, injectable polio vaccine first dose, rotavirus vaccine first dose and pneumococcal vaccine first dose is given. And at 10 weeks and 14 weeks, it is same as 6 weeks except hepatitis B. But routinely, we will give hepatitis B also at 10 weeks and 14 weeks of age. And at 6 months of age, we will give OPV first dose, hepatitis B vaccine third dose and influenza vaccine first dose. And at 7 months, influenza vaccine second dose is given. At 9 months of age, OPV second dose and MMR first dose is given. Between 9 to 12 months of age, typhoid conjugate vaccine first dose is given. At 12 months of age, hepatitis A vaccine first dose and Japanese encephalitis vaccine first dose is given. At 13 months of age, second dose of Japanese encephalitis vaccine is given. At 15 months of age, MMR second dose and pneumococcal booster dose and varicella first dose is given. Between 16 to 18 months of age, first booster dose of DPT, IPV and Haemophilus influenza B vaccine are given. And at 18 months of age, second dose of hepatitis A vaccine is given. At 2 years of age, typhoid booster dose and meningococcal conjugate vaccine are given. And at 4 to 6 years of age, second booster of DPT is given and third dose of OPV and MMR is given and second dose of varicella is given. And between 10 to 12 years of age, TD, that is tetanus and diphtheria vaccine and human papilloma vaccine is given. And coming to the vaccines that are given to the high risk children, they are influenza vaccine, Japanese encephalitis vaccine, meningococcal vaccine, rabies vaccine, yellow fever vaccine, cholera vaccine and pneumococcal polysaccharide vaccine 23. So friends, this is about IAP vaccination schedule. I hope you all understood this vaccination schedule. So if you like this video, please share it to your friends. And for more videos like this, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.